Hello, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to do practical work 2. Okay, in this practical you are going to learn how to draw circles. So you can see there are many circles here. So you are going to draw each one of these circles and a few drawing aids commands also. Okay, the first thing, if you want to draw this object, you have to know what is the distance of this line. So how to know the distance? You may refer to diameter of this circle and also the diameter of the second circle. Okay, given here the diameter of this circle is, the second circle is 58, and if you notice the big circle here is actually the same with the big circle down here, meaning to say that the distance of this line until here is the radius of this circle, which is 29. How do I get 29? It is 58, okay, divide by 2, because 58 is the diameter. You divide by 2 to get the radius, okay? What about the line in the middle? The distance here is, we may refer to this line, this circle, meaning to say that we will take this measurement for the radius. So if you want to get the measurement from here until down here, we need to take the diameter, which is r times 2, which is 20 times 2 equal to 40. So this line is equal to 40 cm. Okay, another one, the last measurement that we need to find is from this point to this point. So it is equal to diameter, you divide by 2, which is 29. So this one also 29. So we have this line, the first line, which is equal to 29, second line, which is equal to 40, and the third line is equal to 29. Horizontal line here is already given. Okay, look at the dimension, we have 40, so we need to create line in the middle to the right, which is 40, and to the left also 40. Okay, so let's try to do it in AutoCAD. I'm sure that you are ready with your drawing limits, which is, if you look at mine, the drawing limits is equal to 297,210, which is the size of A4 paper. Okay, so make sure you already zoom it all. The grid display, you must change to 2, and the grid size is equal to 10. Okay, usually in my class I will teach my student to use this snap mode. This is actually a guide for you to start your point on the grid. Okay, so how to do that? You have to specify the size of snap, which is you need to type snap. Okay, the size of snap you will set to 10 and make sure it is activated. If the color is blue, this mode is already activated. And then you can click on line. If you notice, my cursor will move proportional to the grid size. Okay, so you can click any points. For example, I will click on this point. After you click your first point, you can deactivate the snap mode. Okay, so that your cursor will be smooth. And make sure this one ortho also activated. What is the function of this ortho? Is to guide you to create horizontal and vertical line only. Okay, so after you click on the first point, you key in the distance, which is just now we get 29, okay, 40 and 29. Okay, we have first line, second line which is 40, and the third line is 29. Okay, right click, repeat line, make sure all snap is activated, click on this small arrow, midpoint is tick. Okay, so click on the middle point, move your cursor to the right, which is 40, key in 40 for the measurement, enter once again, right click, repeat line, this is your starting point. Okay, move to the left and key in 40 also. Okay, so this is guidance that we have to start over our circle. Okay, look at this. The first and second circle have 58 for the diameter. Okay, so you click this small arrow, you have the option center, radius, or center diameter. Remember, if the data, if the measurement they given a diameter here, means that you need to use the circle command center diameter. If the data here, the dimension is radius, then you can use the circle and center and radius. Okay, so in this case we will use center diameter. Click on this point, specify diameter of circle, so you key in 58. Okay, so can you notice that the first circle and the circle inside this big circle is actually equal to the circles at the bottom? If these circles are equals, so you can use mirror to draw the same object. Okay, so before that we will draw another circle. The circle inside the smaller circle, you can see the diameter of this circle inside the big circle is 36. So you click on circle, center diameter, key in 36. Okay, now you can use mirror command to copy this command down here. Okay, so how to do it? You can click on this mirror command. Okay, select the object you want to mirror, these two circles, press enter, specify first point of mirror line. So this is the first point, okay, and this is the second line. You can play around with this mirror line, okay, so it will help you to determine where do you want to copy your object. So in this case, you want to copy it down here, so I will click on this second point of my mirror line. Okay, erase source object, no. Okay, so next we will do left and right circle. This is the diameter. The diameter is 16 and the radius of this circle is 20. So outside circle is 20 equal to this circle on the right. Okay. Okay, go to circle, center diameter. Okay, 16. Right click, repeat circle. Specify radius. Okay, because radius, you need to choose the first command, center radius. 20. Okay, next, this one is also 20, but the diameter inside is bigger than the left circle. We'll click on this center diameter, 22, and click circle center radius. Center radius is equal to 20. Okay, now a few more steps to go. We will do the small circle here by using array command. Before we use this array command, we will draw one object here, which is one circle at here, and then we can copy the rest of the circles by using array command. We will create a circle on top of this circle. So how we are going to do that? Make sure you activate quadrant or snap. So click on quadrant. Go to circle, center radius, click on this upper quadrant, key in 8 for the diameter. Okay, now we click on array, this small arrow, click on polar array. You select object you want to array, press enter. Okay, specify center point of array, so this is the center point. Okay, you click on items, items in the command line. You choose these items and you key in the numbers of item you want to copy. So you click 8. Now you can repeat the same step for the circle on the bottom. You click on circle, center radius, click on this point, key in 8 as the diameter of this circle. Okay, click on polar array, select object, you press enter, specify base point, this is the base point, and then you click on items, key in the numbers of circles you want to copy, so 6, enter. Okay, so you want to draw this arc. We will be going to use fillet commands or tangent, radius. So you remember the radius of this arc at here is 15, and the second arc below is also 15. Okay, so you close this array first. Okay, you click on fillet, specify the radius, which is just now is 15. Select first object, so this is my first object and this is the second object. Easy, right? Okay, for the second arc on the bottom, we can use tangent, radius. So actually you will get the same result. Okay, make sure the tangent is activated. You click on circle, you click on tangent, radius, read the command line, specify point on object for the first tangent of circle. So this is your first tangent. Automatically the tangent symbol will appear. So once the tangent symbol appeared, you just click anywhere. Okay, so for me, I will click it here, and AutoCAD will ask you for the second tangent, so I will click down here. So specify the radius. Remember the radius just now is 15. Okay, so this is the difference. Fillet will only draw an arc, but if you use tangent, radius, it will draw a complete circle. So you need to use trim to trim unwanted lines. Okay, so now we want to draw line from the big circle and the left circle, and also from the left circle to the big circle at the bottom. Okay, so you click on line, make sure the tangent symbol appeared. If you think that this quadrant symbol is distracting, you can deactivate it. Okay, so now, okay, this one also distracting, so you can deactivate center. Okay, perpendicular is also distracting. Deactivate perpendicular or all the other option. Only tangent is activated. Okay, so now you can see only tangent is appeared here. So you click any point and any point down here, enter. You repeat the same step, repeat line. Okay, click on the tangent and click any point at here. As long as this tangent symbol appeared, it will automatically find the precise point or tangent for you. Okay, enter. So we almost done. So we will going to trim unwanted lines. So you type trim, select all. Okay, enter. Okay, you need to remove this, and also this one. Done.